migration. So you have to plan and prepare for that. Okay, so you have to identify what data needs to be migrated, whether it is a general ledger account, customer, vendor's account, or what. And then you have to conduct a stakeholder discussion to finalize master data, opening balance, and historical data to move. You should choose the migration method, like how you wanted to go ahead with. Review and ensure data quality from the source system. And you have to coordinate with the technical team if using a custom tool or API. This is the very first checklist for the planning and the preparation. So you can use this checklist to ensure that you're doing it properly, and then configuration. So you have to configure the worksheets properly, create a manage or configure packages, set up a template properly, assist in defining field mappings and also dimension values, help prepare with a validate Excel files formatted for BC import. So this is for configuration. And next for the execution migration, run the assisted setup wizard, collaborate with the technical team, import configuration packages and ensure data, set up a journal entry for opening balance. This is important for execution and migration. Next comes your testing and validation. You have to validate whether the imported data have any duplicates, does it have any missing data or something. And you have to perform the test posting to ensure opening balances are correct. Conduct a user acceptance testing and also help troubleshoot error showing in migration status log. Finally, post-migration setup, which is very essential. You have to assign correct user permission in Business Central Online, verify the company initialization is complete, conduct a training for end user on using migrated data, and disable cloud migration once ready, and finally finalize the go live checklist. So these are the important checklists which every functional consultant should keep in mind. So if you need the checklist, you should be a member of the channel. So you can find how to become a member here. Just go to the channel and then join here and send me an email. So for all the business central functional consultant, I have already written a book, Mastering the Implementation, Successful Implementation of a Business Central. So if you wanted to explore this book, just go ahead and check it here. I can find it in the Amazon. Just go and type Mastering Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. You can find it. I'll also leave this link in the description. And if you wanted any other additional material for Business Central, you can find it in this ebook store. Okay, so here you can see this is a Business Central 365 for developers, zero to hero, where everything, including PPT, your code, a small ebook in order to explain all these topics are given here. And you can find other ebooks for the Business Central functional consultants as well. The checklist, 20 checklist for the consultant and interview questions and everything. You can find it here. Thank you. We will see tomorrow with the next two modules.